So my name's Luke Simon and I'm the founder and CEO of School in a Bag. And School in a Bag is an initiative that delivers rucksacks filled with stationery, learning resources and eating utensils. And we send them out to very poor, orphan, vulnerable and disaster affected children around the world.
Hi guys!
Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Jon.
And a year ago we took part in a European charity banger rally across Europe with the aim of raising funds for School in a Bag.
We raised £2,600, which enabled us to buy 123 bags. And we loaded them into our trusty old car, and the plan is to take them down to Romania in person.
I think it would be good for us to see exactly where the money that we raised is going.
You know, we could have just put them in a container, sent them on their way, but we actually want to be there, don't we, to see them in person, deliver them, see the children, the schools, and see what difference they're going to make.
Sort of see firsthand exactly where the money that we've raised is going.
It's going to go.
Yeah.
Well, the bags that you're going to hand out, the 123 bags are huge. We know Romania is not Africa poor, but there's huge poverty in northern Romania, and we've been there a couple of times now and seen it for ourselves. The schools are there's an infrastructure in place, and there are teaching facilities and teachers, but they have no resources. So if you're a parent that sends your child to school, you have to buy absolutely everything, and some parents just can't afford to do that.
Oh, you're doing this one?
Yeah.
Okay,
So in a typical school bag, once I've got the zip open, we've got all the essential things that you need to learn with. So we've got 6 exercise books, 3 square, 3 plain and 3 lines, so that the children can write and draw and do maths and do spellings. Then we've got very basic stationery items, so we've got a pencil case with biros, and we've got a math set that contains the all-important sharpener, a pack of crayons, a ruler, very important for margins, and then something that we take for granted all the time, a pack of pencils. There's 12 pencils in here, which is huge for them. And then of course we've got the eating utensils, and these just allow children around the world to take food to school and to eat. And we know that in Nepal, once we put tiffin boxes into the school bags, the children didn't go home for lunch, they stayed at school, and therefore they stayed in school for the whole afternoon. And then finally, a water bottle. Hugely important, particularly in our African countries where children walk long distances to get home where it's very hot. So ultimately, the bags that you provide not only provide children with, all the resources that they need to help learn, but what they actually do is unify it, and they make everybody have the same. And that's something that I think is really important, psychologically for these children in their learning too.